All right, guys, so we are doing a review of the YITAHOME three-piece conversation set. This has got wicker, tempered glass on the centerpiece. It's got kind of like a matte black or matte dark gray finish, which is really nice. You have really nice cushions, very sturdy, but extremely lightweight. You're gonna absolutely love it. First video here is I'm just basically going to show you the assembly process in fast motion. It was remarkably simple to put together. Didn't take too much time at all. We're gonna fast track through that, and that's what this first video is. So please enjoy just watching as I'm assembling it right now. You're able to get a vibe. One person can easily put this together. Now, here's the thing I wanna tell you that's amazing about this particular set. It is super sturdy, but incredibly lightweight for the amount of sturdy that it is. I couldn't even believe how sturdy and lightweight it is. Like, I can pick it up with literally one finger on each hand. I can pick one of the chairs up. So remarkably easy. Enjoy this set. It's gonna come in handy. I'd say front porch, back porch, or poolside. It's gonna be amazing. High vibes, enjoy.